Hey guys, Chris Calisi here from Kelly's Used Cars in Auburndale again. I just want to give you some basic tips on tire maintenance. Notice that a lot of trade-ins come in, your front ends are a little out of alignment and tire pressures aren't quite right, and that eats the tires up. On the inside of the driver's door, there's a sticker. That sticker tells you how many PSI. Most of them are going to be anywhere between 32 and 60 depending on the type of vehicle, from light duty to heavy duty. And it's going to tell you exactly what the tire pressure should be. You also need to make sure that you keep the tire pressures within those ranges. That'll also stop that little annoying light coming on that shows that you have a tire sensor possibly wrong, when all it is the fact that the tire pressure itself is not correct. Now you could have a bad TPMS sensor, but more than likely not. They don't go bad that often. Also, what will happen when you do this is it'll keep the fact that your tires are on the road more, which gives you a better grip on the road, okay? And when you go to trade that vehicle in, they're not tires that have to be replaced. Yes, they might have some wear to them. Yes, they may not be 100%. But more than likely, you're going to find out that your vehicle's tires are going to last longer. It's going to wind up improving your stoppability, your drivability, and it's also going to basically make sure that when you're driving your car, it doesn't pull to the left or the right. It's not knocking your vehicle out of alignment due to the fact that you simply have a low tire. So do me a favor every once in a while, just check your tires. Make sure that your tires are at the proper PSI on the inside of the driver door on that sticker. Don't forget where that's at. Or stop by a local mechanic and they'll be more than happy to fill up your tires to the proper air. That's all from Chris Scalisi here at Kelly's Used Cars.